science for you. Now, for this pie, we are using two different apples. We have Granny Smith and Macintosh. Now, Granny Smith by itself in a pie is quite sour and quite boring, okay? Macintosh alone, it gives you a pie that tastes more like applesauce than apple pie. But together, they are excellent together, okay? Pour tarte ça, on a utilisé deux différents pommes, ok? Granny Smith et Macintosh. L'on font tarte avec les pommes ça seulement, li trop su et pas intéressant. L'on font tarte avec pommes ça peut-être pas Macintosh là, li bon plus goût et applesauce, sauce pomme que tarte pomme. Mais tous les deux ensemble, yo excellent. D'accord? All right, now I'm going to show you how to cut apples for an apple pie, okay? To begin, pour commencer, you're going to cut off the top, okay? And then with your knife, just peel off the skin. Now, why take off the skin? Because you don't want, you want your apples to cook evenly, okay? You can use a peeler, but this is the fastest way to do it. You know, folks, it is right now 10:30 p.m. I am recording this video on a Sunday night. Tomorrow is a holiday, Columbus Day. And this is called passion. This is called purpose. And let me actually get into this for just a second, okay? So after you peel it off, you're gonna just core it, go around it 4 times like this, okay? And that's it. And the rest goes in your trash. You're gonna slice and then dice. Very, very, very simple, okay? What is that one thing that you would do for free at any time, any day? This is my passion, as you can tell. I had a haircut today, ran some errands, and then I came home, worked out, and I'm preparing this apple pie for you. And for my next appearance on Coast Live, the week of Thanksgiving. And I absolutely love what I do. Cooking brings me joy, as you can tell already. Not just cooking, but educating folks about nutrition and techniques in the kitchen. Okay? All right, so I'm gonna finish these off camera and we will be ready to go.